Okay, today we are going to make our first graph and we are going to insert it into the lab write-up that you just did for the separating mixtures lab. So what we're going to do is, first of all, you'll need to go to your assignment page for period 2 or whatever period you're in. If you're in period 5, find period 5, period 6, or period 8, whatever your class is. All the assignment pages should be the same. The only thing that should be different is the picture up here at the top. So what you need to do is go to graph your results. Actually, you know what? Let's take a step back. First thing, let's open up our separating mixtures lab. So we'll click open. Because what I want you to do is, many of you will have submitted this separating mixtures lab. I want you to unsubmit it so that you can open it up and work on that document some more. So now that I unsubmitted it, now I can open it and see my tabs up here. I can go down here and see my data, my results. And this is actually what we're going to be working with for our graph right here. Oops, let's not do it yellow. Text, let's highlight it yellow. There we go. So hopefully you will have also put in the percentages here. What we're going to be looking at specifically are these numbers right next to the words themselves, okay? Just the raw weight, in grams, the mass of those three items. So once you have that open, now we can go back to our assignment page and open graph your results. So we'll click open. And we'll wait for it to load. There we go. Go ahead and open it up. So you should see sand, iron, salt on yours. And the title of this spreadsheet that opened up is Separating Mixture Graph. So this spreadsheet is part of Google Drive as well. And we'll work with spreadsheets some more. For some of you, this might be your first spreadsheet. That's fine. No problem. So let's find the weight, the mass for sand. So we're going to click on the tab for Separated Mixtures Lab. There's sand, so it's 44.5. So now we're going to go back to our spreadsheet. And I had this field filled in before, but I want to put it in fresh. And actually, I'm going to remove this highlight. Sorry. Okay. So it's 44.5. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and delete this just so I don't confuse anybody. Okay. So now we need to fill in iron. So let's go back to our separated mixtures lab. Iron was 4.1 grams. So now we will put 4.1. Salt is 0.4. 0.4. So you'll notice that I'm putting the numbers in the column to the right of the words. I'm not putting the numbers in the same box as the words. Okay? So once you get those three, now you are ready to insert a graph. So let's go ahead and go insert. Let's go chart. And right here we see our pie chart option. We're going to click that. And you'll notice that it automatically sets it up for you. It even gives you the percent. And then we can compare and see if that matches the percent on our write-up that we did earlier. So once we've chosen the pie chart, we just go ahead and insert. And it just pops right there in your spreadsheet. Now, we want to get it into the write-up, the separating mixtures lab write-up. So what we can do is see this little box at the top right. We can click that. We can do copy chart. Now we've copied it. Now we can go back to our separating mixtures lab. And let's go right below our data that we had just used to fill in the spreadsheet. And we can right-click, go to paste. Or you can do Control V. Hold down the Control key and press V, and it will paste it. And now we have a lovely pie chart. And again, let's make sure that our percentages match the percentages that we came up with here. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and turn in your assignment. I like to go back to the assignment page and turn in my assignments there. So I'm going to go here. Go ahead and turn in because I've created the graph. I'm done with that now. And I wait. There we go. Now we go back to the assignment page, and I can turn in graph your results because I'm done with that. So I hit open, turn in your work, yes. Boom. And now what you've done is you've completed the assignments, which is great. More importantly, you've learned how to create a graph, which we will be using a lot this year. And I hope that you have seen that it's not too difficult to do that. Okay, nice work.